Hello everyone. Today we will be continuing where we left in the previous video, the same basic 3D tools. Okay. In last video we have gone through the extrude command and subtracting between two solid objects and the intersect command also. Okay. Now today let's see about the revolve command. Okay, which is very basic. Okay. For that let's draw a line. Okay, using polyline command PL. Okay, any shape which you want to do. Okay, and I would like to switch on the ortho F8 shortcut. Okay, any shape which you want to make, it can be any shape. And I will be using the tracking and close. Okay, this is it. So this is a single object. Now since this is the edges are too sharp, let's make it chamfer. CHAMFER chamfer. Before that, let's give distance from here to here. Enter. This and this will be chamfered. This and this will be chamfered. And let's make fillet in this corner. FILLET fillet. And let's click the radius. Say here to here. This and this. And same this and this. And this and this line. So that there is no sharp edges, which looks something. Okay, now okay, and also I'm going to draw a line, which I will tell you why. Okay, now let's move to the isometric view by clicking the home button. Okay, now we are in the southwest isometric view. Okay, and now click the revolve command. What is asking? Select objects to revolve. This is my object to be revolved and I am giving enter. Once I click enter, it have four options: either object, X, Y, Z. One more option, the fifth one, specify the axis start point. This is the fifth option. First I am going to select the object option. So once I click object, it is asking me select the object. This is the object. So once I click that object, you can see our object which has to be revolved is getting revolved around the selected object. Okay, since we have selected this line as an object, it is getting revolved around this selected object, which is a line, and it is asking me angle to fill. Say for example, if this is 0 and if I keep on increasing to 20, 30, 40, whatever, until that angle the object gets revolved. Let's revolve this fully 360 degree now and see it got revolved. Now let's change our view to, means the visual style to shaded, or you can go for even realistic also. Okay, and then you check it, and I'm going to use this orbit. Okay, orbit command to see. Here you can see this orbit, or else you have to press shift and then your scroll button, which is converted to a orbit option. Okay, here you can see now we are in orbit. So the one which we have selected got revolved all over here. Okay, and now I'm going to undo to the previous sketch so that I can show you the difference in the revolve. Okay, escape, control Z, Z, Z. Okay, this was the one which we have drawn, and this it. Now I am going to use the same revolve command, and the same I am selecting the object, enter. Now instead of this object, I am going to give a start point and end point. Okay, for me this will be my start point, this will be my end point. So same like last time, see it gets started revolving around that axis. Previously we have selected this line as axis and it got revolved with a gap in between as the distance which is between this object and this line. But now I have selected this line of the object itself as an axis and it getting revolved, and I am giving 360, same like last time. And let's see the difference, realistic, and if you go here you can see that it's completely filled, there is no hollow, and this line which is unused remains here. Okay, this is the difference. Hope if you are following properly, you can feel the difference. as in the previous one which we selected the line, we could see a hollow here because the object was here, the line was here, this gap, and here the same gap will be followed. But now we have selected the axis of the object itself, so there is no hollow option. Okay, again to show you the another one option, I am going to undo to the old shape. This is the shape. Now I am selecting this and I am going to explode it. Okay, explode, XEXPL. Okay, EXPL, explode. So now it is exploded. I would like to delete this line, okay, as I don't need this and even I don't need this. Okay, now I'm gonna select all these objects and join, JOIN, enter, and you can see this is a single object. Okay, now let me click revolve. Again I am going to select this object, okay, and then enter. I am using this again as the start point. Okay, first we have seen selecting this line as an object and then the axis in the same place of the objects where there is no hollow. Now again I am going to use this line as an axis point itself so that there will be a hollow in between. Okay, see, it started revolving, but there will be a difference you will find between the previous and this one, as we have removed one line from our object which is not a closed object. Now you should understand the difference. Now it is not a closed object and I am giving 360, enter. Let's go to realistic and then we will check. You can see now it is created as a complete hollow sheet, thin sheet like structure, hollow. Okay, so these are the different types of revolve command we can use for any shapes like pillars, any object like a cup, a pot, anything can be drawn using this. Okay, so hope you are pretty clear with this revolve command. If in case you have any doubts or any clarity required, please do kindly post it in the comments bar so that we can go through it and reply to you immediately ASAP. And in case any doubts or any particular topic, in our previous videos we have a specific topic which was requested by one of our subscriber to explain about the spiral staircase, has been made as a separate video and we have uploaded it. Same like that, whatever you required in AutoCAD, you can feel free to post it in our comments. We will revert back to you ASAP. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's learn it together. Thank you so much.